वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। फ्रेंड्स, आज से हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं हमारी ऑब्जेक्टिव सीरीज़। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे चैप्टर फर्स्ट बिजनेस स्टडीज़, क्लास 12, नेचर एंड सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ मैनेजमेंट। फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपको ऑब्जेक्टिव सीरीज़ के बारे में बता देता हूँ। हमने ऑब्जेक्टिव सीरीज़ को 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करा है। फर्स्ट इज़ MCQ सीरीज़, सेकेंड इज़ फिल इन द ब्लैंक सीरीज़ एंड थर्ड इज़ ट्रू एंड फॉल्स सीरीज़। फ्रेंड्स, हम इन तीनों सीरीज़ में हर एक सब्जेक्ट के क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे। और आपको तो पता ही है कि ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस का 20 मार्क्स का वेटेज होता है बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम में, जो कि ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस बहुत ही दिक्कत देते हैं स्टूडेंट्स को, क्योंकि ये आसानी से सॉल्व नहीं होते, क्योंकि CBSE हर साल नए नए ऑब्जेक्टिव्स लाता है। फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में हम 25 ऑब्जेक्टिव यानी कि MCQs डिस्कस करेंगे चैप्टर फर्स्ट के लिए, जो आपके लिए बहुत ही हेल्पफुल रहेंगे। फ्रेंड्स, मेरी आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप अपने साथ एक नोटबुक रखिए, जिसमें आप सभी क्वेश्चन को नोट करते जाएं। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, मैनेजमेंट इज़ Option A, an art. Option B, a science. Option C, both art and science. Option D, neither. Answer is option C, both art and science. Next question is efficiency. Option A, focus on optimum use of resources. Option B, involves cost benefit analysis. Option C, meaning doing the task correctly and with minimum cost. Option D, all of the above. Answer is option D, all of the above. Next question is dash is concerned with monitoring organizational performance towards the attainment of organizational goals. Option A, staffing. Option B, controlling. Option C, organizing. Option D, directing. Answer is option B, controlling. Next question is like a thread in a garland dash is a part of all management function. Option A, planning. Option B, organizing. Option C, controlling. Option D, staffing. Answer is option C, controlling. Next question is general manager belongs to dash level while production manager belongs to dash level. Option A, middle top. Option B, top middle. Option C, top lower. Option D, middle lower. Answer is B, top middle. Next question is manager is able to achieve the target production with the time, but after high wastage of resources. In this case, the manager is option A, effective. Option B, efficient. Option C, both A and B. Option D, neither A nor B. Answer is option A, effective. Next question is Star Limited arrange motivational lecture for the personal growth and development of its employees. Which objective of management the company is trying to achieve? Option A, organizational objective. Option B, personal objective. Option C, social objective. Option D, none of these. Answer is option B, personal objective. Next question is the manager applies the acquired knowledge in a personalized and skillful manner in the light of the realities of the given situation. Option A, a science. Option B, an art. Option C, a profession. Option D, none of these. Answer is option B, an art. Next question is the activities involved in managing an enterprise are common to all organizations, whether economic, social or political. Which characteristics of management is highlighted in the given statement? Option A, intangible force. Option B, group activity. Option C, dynamic function. Option D, pervasive. Answer is option D, pervasive. Next question is, a good manager synchronizes all the activities of different departments through option A staffing, option B directing, option C coordination, option D planning. Answer is option C coordination. Next question is, coordination is option A function of management, option B the essence of management, option C an objective of management, option D none of these. Answer is option B the essence of management. Next question is, management should be considered as option A full-fledged profession, option B not a profession, option C developing profession, option D none of these. Answer is option C developing profession. Next question is, foreman belongs to option A top level of management, option B middle level of management, option C supervisory level of management, option D none of these. Answer is option C supervisory management. Next question is, profit is essential for covering cost and risk of the business. Which management objective discussed here? Option A social objective, option B personal objective, option C organizational objective, option D none of these. The answer is option C organizational objective. The next question is, to become a chartered accountant in India, a candidate has to clear a specified examination conducted by the ICAI. Which features of profession is being revealed? Option A ethical code of conduct, option B restricted entry, option C well defined body of knowledge, option D professional association. Answer is option B restricted entry. Next question is, management consists of three dimensions: management of work, management of people, management of operation. Which feature of management is being highlighted here? Option A or goal oriented, option B dynamic, option C multidimensional, option D pervasive. Answer is option C multidimensional. Next question is, X Limited is manufacturing electrical items by using environmental friendly methods of production. Which objective is used here? Option A social objective, option B organizational objective, option C individual objective, option D economic objective. Answer is option A social objective. Next question is, survival is possible only when organization is able to earn enough revenue to cover its cost. Which management objective is highlighted? Option A organizational objective, option B or individual objective, option C social objective, option D none of these. Answer is option A organizational objective. The next question is, to cooperate with other departments for smooth functioning of the organization. Highlight the function of dash level of management. A top, B supervisory, C middle, D none of these. Answer is option C middle. The next question is, management cannot be seen but its presence can be felt. Which characteristics of management highlighted in the given statement? Option A group activity, option B dynamic function, option C intangible force, option D continuous process. Answer is option C intangible force. Next question is, the following is not an objective of management. Option A earning profit, option B growth of the organization, option C providing employment, option D policy making. Answer is option D policy making. The next question is, for a dash minimum qualification has not been prescribed. Option A lawyer, option B manager, option C chartered accountant, option D doctor. Answer is option B manager. The next question is being effective means completing tasks. Option B, completing tasks efficiently. Option C, completing tasks on time. Option D, all of the above. Answer is option C, completing task on time. The next question is providing proper working conditions and ensuring that quality of output is maintained is the function of dash level of management. Option A, operational. Option B, middle. Option C, top. Option D, all of these. Answer is option A, operational. The next question is an organization consists individual with different needs who join the organization for different purpose, but as members of the organizations they work together to achieve organizational goals. Which feature of management is being highlighted? Option A, goal oriented. Option B, pervasive function. Option C, group activity. Option D, continuous process. The answer is option C, group activity. फ्रेंड्स ये आज हमने डिस्कस करे 25 MCQs चैप्टर फर्स्ट के। आप ये सभी अपनी नोटबुक में नोट कर लीजिए और आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड कमेंट। थैंक यू।